So welcome to lecture 7 of unit 4, and let's see some more important problems. So in this problem, see, if vector A is this much, then you have to show that A vector A dot curl of vector A equal to 0. So let's see how we are going to prove that. So what is given to you? Given that your vector A equal to x plus y plus 1 I plus j minus x plus y times of k, right? So to find A dot curl A, first we have to find the curl of A. So let's find curl of vector A, which is curl means cross product of vector operator with this vector A. So how we find it? Easily we find it by determinant of ijk components of vector operator. So ijk components for vector operator del are del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and ijk components for vector A are x plus y plus 1, 1 and minus times of x plus y. So let's find the value of this determinant. So that is I times of del by del y of minus x minus y minus del by del z of 1 minus j times of del by del x of minus x minus y minus del by del z of x plus y plus 1 plus k times of del by del x of 1 minus del by del y of x plus y plus 1. So let's solve this. So I times of del by del y of this will give you minus 1, del by del z of 1 will give you 0, minus j times of del by del x of minus x minus y gives you minus 1, and del by del z of x plus y plus 1 gives you 0, plus k times of del by del x of 1 equal to 0 minus del by del y of this gives you 1. There is only one term of y, so you end up having minus 1 times of I minus minus plus 1 times of j and minus 1 times of k. That means nothing but minus I plus j minus k. This is your value of curl of vector A. Now what you have to show? You have to show that A dot curl A equal to 0. So let us find the value of A dot curl A. So A dot curl of A is nothing but, write the vector A. Vector A is x plus y plus 1 I plus j minus x plus y k. This is your vector A dot curl of vector A. A dot curl A. Curl A is nothing but minus I plus j minus k. Now simply you have to do the dot product now. So dot product means I component will be multiplied, I square will be 1, ij and ik will be 0. All of you know how to perform dot product. So this gives you minus 1 into x plus y plus 1 minus times of x plus y plus 1 I square. I square is 1, so you have minus x minus y minus 1. This is for I. For j plus j square, that gives you plus 1. For k you have minus into minus plus x plus y, k square is 1. So as you see, all the terms are getting cancelled and you end up having 0. So you have shown that the vector A dot curl of vector A is nothing but 0. Right? So this unit, as I told you, these problems are simple to do. Whatever is given, just find the value, substitute and do the products carefully. Now see here, to perform this problem you have to understand first one important point, that is divergence of cross product of two vectors is equal to, that is you can also write as divergence means vector operator dot cross product of two vectors A cross B is nothing but vector B dot del cross A minus vector A dot del cross vector B. You have to remember this formula, divergence of cross product of two vectors is equal to B dot del cross A minus A dot del cross B. So see, in this problem they have given that if vector A is irrotational, then you have to evaluate the value of divergence of A cross vector R. Vector R is our standard vector xi plus yj plus zk. That means R represents position vector of any point R in the space. Right? Just like we take a random point xyz, this is a random position vector of a point xyz in the space. So it is a very important information given here that A is irrotational. Irrotational means curl of this vector will be 0. When there is no rotation, there will be no curl. So let's solve this problem. So you have given, there are two things. First is they have given you vector R xi plus yj plus zk. Second information they have given you is, given points are this, and also given that A is irrotational, which implies that curl of vector A, that is del cross vector A, is 0. Right? So let this be your point A, because we will be using this, that's why I am naming it as equation A. So let's see, let's find the value of what you have to find, evaluate divergence A cross R. So let's evaluate what he is asking us to. So divergence A cross vector R is equal to, we will apply our formula which I have given there. So you should know this formula before only. So this can be written as del dot A cross vector R, which is nothing but equal to B dot del cross A. So B is vector R dot del cross A minus A dot del cross B. For B we have vector R. Right? Now since del cross A is 0, curl of vector A is 0, what you have is vector R dot 0 minus vector A dot del cross vector R. We have used equation A, which gives you del cross A is 0. So what you have here is minus times of vector A dot curl of vector R. Right? So to evaluate this, let's name this equation as B. Now we will evaluate first del cross R, then we will do its dot product with A, as we have done in the last problem. So let's evaluate curl R. So now del cross vector r, that is curl of vector r, is equal to, all of you know how to calculate this, ijk component for vector operator del r, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and vector r components are nothing but x, y, z. So what you end up having, nothing but I times of, you have del by del y of z minus del by del z of y minus j times of del by del x of z minus del by del z of x plus k times of del by del x of y minus del by del y of x. And you know that directly also you can write here, differentiation of z with respect to y will be 0, differentiation of y with respect to z 0, differentiation of z with respect to x is 0. So you end up having nothing but 0 vector. This all will be 0, right? So 0i, 0y, 0j, you can write also here 0i plus 0j plus 0k you will get. So that is, you get a vector 0 here. So value of this is 0. So substituting the value of del cross r in equation B, what you have is divergence A cross r is equal to, what you have, minus A dot, you got a 0 vector, so this value is nothing but 0. So what you got, the value of divergence vector A cross vector r equal to 0, right?